Welcome back to another Sons of the Forest video. I'm back with my judgmental friend that's definitely in the background, don't judge why. We're going to continue on the main game. He made a sound, I can't tell what. Continuing in hell, here we are. So I survived the winter magically, and now I'm just here with Cal. Bro, what the hell? I'm just here with Calvin. So primary objective is to I think I should finally make a base after 10 million years. So I say on the coastline because that's a pretty good place and also it's really close. So yeah. Oh, you see him?
Yeah.
Alright.
You want me to mute it for the?
Nah, you're fine. You're fine. As long as you don't make any constant noise that's annoying. You can judge me as much as you want or make sounds. I could care less. That's content.
Alright. This is a video.
Yeah. I'm probably going to include this intense conversation of Obama.
Cool.
But yes, I have somehow survived the winter. Can you believe that, my friend?
No.
Well, I'll support him. What? Is he eating poisonous berries again? Unless you're super stacked though, then you can poison him. Oh, I can just feel that break. But where the hell even are we? The weather simulation is of Canadian areas, but it's where are we though? It's meant. I know the devs are from Canada and they're trying to simulate their home environment, but again, where are we? Hey, this is a nice throwback. In the original game, it was a can opener. Ain't no way. This is the first time I found this is the entire game. Now I can finally open these 1,000 cans I have. I'm not kidding. Food. What the hell is that?
What is that?
Cat food. Yummy. Well, why is that really douching? I'm so confused. Let's make an energy mix. But I'm so oh, that room for nothing. I'm confused and deeply disturbed.
Eating cat food. That's pretty good though.
You got it, but you got it, man.
Dude, you're in a wild.
Food is food. That's my opinion. I don't care what anyone says. Food is food.
If you can eat it, then it's edible.
The more I do it, the faster I get at it. Look.
Cool. You running?
Oh, it's why am I eating it like that?
You just swallowed it for one bite.
I am so confused. I am conflicted on how I'm meant to feel.
Yeah. Yes.
As in,
could you use them as weapons, like the sticks?
yes. There's also another tactic that I learned off the internet. Cause I too dumb to learn it on my own. What is this? I know you can do it. get logs and drop here. Oh, I have an idea. I think so. He does have an axe, but he chooses not to use it whenever you need him to use it. So I'm off to cut down trees so that he can grab them. Calvin,
Alright.
the definition of a waste of air.
Yes, you're wasting too much air, Calvin.
Yeah. Here. Minecraft didn't have. It was so. The game now. Station. What if I build like a little line here and zipline it over there to my base?
I don't know, actually.
It could work.
Only one way to find out.
Only one way to find out. Truly. How do I... Oh, come on!
What does that scream?
It's the damn cannibals.
Bruh.
Oh yeah, screw you too.
Screw melee. You must use the American way.
Yeah, Melee equals British. Americanism equals Chad.
Legit.
Soviet. If I'm going down, I'm taking this forest with me. Yeah, you can.
Bruh.
You can.
Invading wall.
Yeah. Me after finding out that the 2-year-old that the kids climbing the tree are really CIA agents. Like Calvin though. I was just chilling. Fear me! Fear. Alright, time to figure out how to make the funny. There's somewhere. Or did they? Make a nice little fire here. Yeah, I really am that It's like the game thinks my gun is perfectly fine, but in reality it isn't. Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it.
For a moment.
Yeah. Hey, dogs. Wait, why was I wasting my energy doing that when I have a chainsaw in my back pocket?
Bruh.
I completely forgot about that. I must acquire delete. Mysterious meal found in the cannibal package. Weaponizing.
Step-by-step tutorial.
Oh, I'm full. I'm finally full after eternity.
Bruh.
For real.
Step tutorial on how to make a Molotov by Vincent.
For real.
Yes.
I have a shell.
What can you do for it?
I don't know.
Or-
What are you doing? Big brain. I have humongous brain. Humongous. What the fuck?
Defying gravity.
I was
Yeah.
brain cell lost. Yay!
But it does work
Wait,
like
it's
that, right?
stopping! It's stopping right there!
No!
Wait.
Bruh.
Humong-
Failed.
humongous
What
brain.
if we make it higher?
I could do that. Gravity, I defy thee. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Ah! Oh god! It's one of the big guys!
Well, he's scaring me.
Yeah, no fooling.
Is that the centipede one?
Yeah, it's the new one that you need like the heavy guts for. He looks like he hits like a truck, so I think I need my shine.
Yeah, do the American way.
You dare mess with me and invade my home? More like your death.
Yes.
Well, that thing is horrible.
Bro.
In a good way.
What the hell is
Screw you! Die! 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 Die!
oh, why won't I die?
Die! 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 Hey, it's dead.
That took a while.
Wait, what's wrong? Uh-oh. Whatever. Calvin, yeah, Calvin's alright, but that's one of the new guys. Time to see what's good.
What does it drop?
Oh, I can't skin it. Huh. Oh, I can. I think it should give. I swear, if it doesn't give me twice the armor. Really, one, bruh. That's so mid of them to do that.
That's actually below mid.
For real,
They really did us dirty.
they did me dirty like that. Hit them, get your eyes. Yeah, so I gotta make it. I'm just paranoid now. Okay, yoink. Just blink it like. Will the logs fit that way? I'm not sure. Only one way to see.
We must test.
Ah! Damn.
Alright, finding gravity.
Finding brain cells.
Yes. Have to get brain cells.
It works!
Oh my god.
My excellent thingy majig. Uh-oh. Give me that boy. Damn it! I have an idea.
What is it?
My total of 5 brain cells will unite today.
No way. 100% real.
For real. Yeah. I just gotta have multiple of them.
200 IQ.
For real. I could have easily avoided this with a simpler mechanism, but eh. There we go. But I will, to say I didn't expect this to work would be an would be an understatement. Now I'm sure no trees will hit it and destroy it. Too good. It really does though.
Very good.
Yeah. Now Calvin can gain 2 brain cells again.
Yes.
I wonder if I can go on it.
No, you can't. It's just...
What? Did I just... What? I got downed by a log. How stupid is that? I gotta exterminate this space later. Gotta rid this place of its scum. No, I just realized, I think this episode got a little out of hand with rebuilding. I also got Virginia, but I think I should end it off here. I found an napkin and stuff. I think this episode's just gonna be titled Building Simulator, but like, subscribe. I will see you later. Goodbye.